Hey everyone, welcome back to OpenExploit. I am Pawan Jaswal, and in today's video, we are diving into core cybersecurity skills, how to perform a basic vulnerability scan. No experience needed, no paid tools, just simple steps to find and fix security flaws. Whether you are a student, an aspiring ethical hacker, or just trying to secure your own system, this guide is perfect for you. So, what exactly is vulnerability scan? It's a process that checks a system or network for known vulnerability weakness. This could be outdated software, open ports, or misconfigured service, and it gives you a report, kind of like a health check for your device, showing what needs to be fixed. Now, let's talk about the tools. For a basic scan, we'll use two free and beginner-friendly tools, Nmap and Nikto. Nmap helps you discover open ports and services. Nikto scans web services for common vulnerabilities. You can install both on any Linux system or just use Kali Linux, which has them pre-installed. Let's say we want to scan a target like example.com. Maybe it's a web server we own or test environment. This gives us a list of open ports like 22 or SSH or 80 for HTTP. This adds version detection, showing us what exactly is running on each port. Take it one step further, we can use special script in Nmap that checks for known CVEs. This matches the services it finds with public known vulnerabilities, giving you CVE ID you can look up. If a target is a website, Nikto is your friend. Nikto checks for outdated software, dangerous files path, and insecure HTTP headers and more. Once the scan is done, you'll get a list of issues. Now comes the important part, fixing them. Update old software, close unnecessary ports, secure your configurations, and then scan again to make sure everything's clean. If you are just learning, use legal environments like Metaexploitable, DBWA, TryHackMe, or Hack the Box. They are perfect for practice without breaking the law. So that's how you perform a basic vulnerability scan using free tools in just a few steps. It is simple but powerful way to level up your cybersecurity skill. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to OpenExploit, and leave a comment below if you want a full demonstration or advanced scan walkthrough.